Hello guys, let's talk about how to share your eHome camera. As you can see, I have the camera here working on my cell phone, right? And I want to share from one phone to another one, okay? So what I have to do here is just come here to the settings and there's a link for sharing. So I click here, share, and I can share it with any person that I want. I just click this green button here and I need to invite somebody using the email, right? So I just type an email here and I can send to somebody and invite them to share the camera, right? Let me just type an email here. So here we go. Here I have an email and then I just click next. And I want to share this camera. I can share all of the camera that I have here or just one camera. I have one here, the office camera. Click next. And I can share the live feed and activity or just the live feed. In this case, I'm just sharing everything. Then I just send the invite. Okay, so the invite was sent, and then I have here one camera that's being shared, and then the person that received the invite just need to accept it and come here to the cell phone. And when they open the eHome app here, you just need to select the United States or the country that people is living in. Click continue here and insert the email here, right? After the invitation is accepted, then the people can log in and see the camera here, okay? So right now I'm looking at my computer and I can see that I received the email for the invite. I'm just testing here, sending an email to myself from one email to another one, right? It's different one. And here I have this information and accepting the invite. And then here, as I don't have an account yet with the new email, I'm gonna create one here. So I click here, create an account. Then I enter the information, first name, last email, phone, everything else, and a password. So you insert all the information here, and then you click sign up. And here you go. You're going to receive a code on your new email, and then you can open the app and start using it. Okay, so after the confirmation, you just log into your account and you can see the same camera here. Okay, so just click here. Let me just double click and I see the camera live, right? So now it's working on both phones, right? On the iPhone and the other one. Let me just come back here to my camera. And here we go. So I have working on both camera, iPhone and Samsung cell phone with different accounts, but connected via sharing, right? So guys, that's the way you can share your e-camera. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next one.